JATV.
Yes, as you can see, we are reporting live from the Facebook, and this is the world chairman of Fort Level, the home of the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Comrade Philip Tribal. Mr. Chairman, I can see you organizing by backing on the mega rally in support of the re-election of the Governor of Edo State and his deputy, Comrade Philip Tribal. What do you have to say about this mega rally? That's in his hometown.
The election is over.
Wow.
Take that from me.
The world chairman just said.
99%.
The world chairman just said the election is over. It's over. Now, we have this property councillor, one-time councillor this, one time that, Honorable Jobilos Momo.
My brother, as you can see, the people have spoken. They have taken up their destiny in their own hands. What they are saying today is that never again one man will determine the destiny of other people. This is what you are seeing today. What you are seeing today is a demonstration of the good works of Governor Obaseki and Philip Tribal. People are saying carry on. 4+4 is 8. PDP is the answer for the people.
Yes, we also have one of the leaders, Comrade Biel Kumaha. He's a leader of PDP World Level here too. What do you have to say about this mega rally?
Well, today, when you look at this is PDP on the rally and the best of his stand. And it's a matter that we are not supposed to even be agitating for. But what we are seeing today shows that even what has happened with Benin yesterday is already they have accepted that they have defeated them. But today, this is the truth. This is what the left that are doing the rally today. Look at it very well. This is not a higher class. And by the grace of God, we are going to win the election. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes. We also have one of the essays. Yes, as you can see, we also have in our midst the Abeni Aziz Support Initiative. It's live here on the Sedati for the Governor of Edo State, Comrade Philip Tribal. Abeni Aziz is a young, promising young man from Jetu community. He owns an NGO. And this NGO has been able to empower people. They are able to empower people across the nooks and crannies of Edo State. This is a young man who is based in Port Harcourt, who supports good governance. He's a man who believes in development of Edo State. This is the young man I'm talking about. The other person is our comrade, Abeni Aziz Yakubu, the president and the founder You can see the mammoth crowd. Without being told, this is an attestation to the fact that Governor of Edo State is on ground. We also have one of our artists here, Sede Godwin, popularly known as Naka something. Yes.
These men are just that trusted. These men are the men we want.
Yes.
They are the right men. Anybody want them to talk, Naka something. Pay, they pay. 4 + 4 is a goal.
Yes. Yes, you can also have some of the supporters of Abeni as the support initiative right here on the Mega Rally. Yes, you can see PDP is a done deal. The election is over. We are done with this election. You can see the crowd yourself. You can see this is the community of the home of the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Comrade Phyllis Tribal. You can see the massive crowd. Yes, they are not walking. Yes. Yes, sir. No, come back this back. Bad message, Yes, you can see the comrades. How do you see September 19 for coming?
September 19 election is a done deal.
Yeah.
Down with the mandate of the people.
About the Yes, you can see the crowd yourself. This is the home of the Deputy Governor. On the solidarity march and his support. Yes, you can see the mammoth crowd. You can see yourself. Yes. We have one of our persons here, Pepe Denga. It's another person that comrade of Modibo, Kiniru. The man is in support of Governor Obaseki and Tribal.
This man start.
Yes.
100% with the village.
Are you happy about the rally today? Are you happy about the rally?
I'm happy.
Yes.
My own project. Don't ask if I'm happy about my own project.
Okay. You can
What
see.
you prove to just few elements that think that
Yes. We also have one of our own. It's a dogged comrade. Comrade, good salute you now. What do you have to say about this mega rally?
What is the goal?
You can see.
No man is God.
No man is
No
God.
man is God. Between Godfatherism and the masses.
Yes. As we speak to you now, we have the great men of PDP. Yes, you can see them. In solidarity march for the governor of Edo State, Comrade Obaseki and Philip Tribal. As we speak, we have the DG of Abeni as this support initiative live here. They have resolved that the mandate is given to Obaseki and Philip Tribal. It's 4+4. The DG, what do you have to say about this mega rally in the hometown of the Deputy Governor of Edo State?
It is an eye-opener. We are trying to tell the people that we are on ground. What we are going to do here, we are going to give a similar vote like we give to Osomole in his first election, to Obaseki and Philip again. No much talk. It is a done deal. That is how it is going to be. Thank you very much.
Okay. As you can see, we'll not be able to finish up without interviewing the ward coordinator of Abeni as this support initiative. The ward level coordinator who is in charge of the home of the deputy governor. He's a young man. His name is Comrade Aduku Tony Wise. Ward level coordinator of Abeni as this support initiative. What do you have to say about this mega rally?
My brother, if you actually take a look at what's going on, it will show that it's a done deal. It's a done deal. It's a done deal. It's not something that we should actually be thinking about. Yes. J2, Edo North, Edo State is for Obaseki Tribal. So believe it or not, whatever they are saying, they are making propaganda. But that propaganda is not what is going to happen. And I'm 100% sure that whatever you are seeing here today, aside from the children who are not able to vote, everybody here has a 50 seat to vote. And let's forget what happened in Benin yesterday. But today, we are showing that the solidarity that we are seeing, it is a positive movement. It is a movement that shows that the deputy governor of Edo State, Honorable Philip Tribal, it is not a man to be toiled with. It is a man of the people. Yes. And people choice. This is just his community. This is just his community. We're not actually gone around the whole of Edo North or the whole of Esako West. So it shows that there is a massive turnout. There's massive development. The governor has done well. The deputy has done well. So we are on ground to actually felicitate and actually pitch tents to the government that is doing well.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes. Let me catch up with the other team. You can see even the vehicles are filled up. We have strong supporters of Obaseki Tribal. They say 4+4. 4+4. Stop bar.
4+1.
Stop bar.
Obaseki has finished.
Yes. Stop bar. You can see.
No country, no Philip,
no election. You can see. Even the vehicle is filled up. You can see one of the pilots. He's a great man. Yes. Who as he's driving,
No Obaseki, no
you can say one or two things to us.
No Obaseki, no Philip Tribal, no election in Edo State.
Wow. You can see. The men are talking.
4+4, you must go back. 4+4.
Yes, you can see fully in support. You can see them. Yeah, 4+4. Yes, you can see the crowd. 4+4 is a donkey. This will tell you that the tribal is accepted in some community. You can see the massive crowd. You are broke, you are sighted. Yes. One time for them, you are broke one another. It's really the massive crowd. Some of them will come. What else? What +4 is goal. This is Aminu. These are great men. They are all in support of the public government. Yes, you can see even the president of Ogedani Women Road, they are also here in support of the solidarity movement of the corporate governor. Yes, we have one of our supporters here. His name is Comrade Rasmus Oboga. Yes, you need to say something to us. Come and say something to us. Come and say something. What do you have to say? Yes, you can see the back. You can see the vehicles. All in support. Yes. Junior Silva, 4+4, we said his name. Yes, I will share the video with you, show you on honor. The rest are sure that I will do the deal. Junior Silva, part of the people. Yes, must cost God. And I think you are the right movement. Light and darkness can never meet. Because in the light of Edo State. Yes.
DJ ATV.